Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute workout. Just start by lifting your heels. Nice and slow to start with, warming up through the feet and ankles. While you're starting, have a quick look round, check there's nothing that's going to hurt your feet and nothing you're going to bash into. You only need the space of a mat. Make that a little bit faster. Add some arms. Now remember, in my workouts, your workouts, you do what's right for you, for your body. So if I offer arms and you don't want to do the arms, just keep the feet going. If you want to make it smaller or slower, please do. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. And if you're new to this, please, please, please keep yourself at a level that you can keep going for the full 15 minutes. I'm going to change that in a moment to a heel dig, taking the heels out in front. Last 4, 3. Stay facing me. I've just turned so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm taking the heels forward. So if there's any small, that's fine too, but try and make it a little bit bigger if you can. Keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed, just gently swinging them. Little bicep curls to the side. Take that to a little march. And keep those feet nice and light. Going back to those heel raises. With a jogger's walk and move your arms for jogging. I'm beginning to lift my elbows a little bit higher at the back, feeling the back of the arms working slightly. Always like to get a little bit of arm tone in if we can, just gentle. Are you ready for those heel digs? Let's go to heel digs. And be careful you're not going to bash anything. I'm really close to the wall here. I have to be a little bit careful. 4 more, 3. And march it through. So if you want to keep it gentle, you can. Be a bit harder, take those knees higher, push the elbows back further. Try and keep a nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Neck's relaxed. Back to the jogger's walk. Think about pulling your belly in. Well done. Heel digs. And do a little bicep curl to the side this time. Again, do what's right for you. If getting the feet right and the arms is messing with your brain today, then just let your arms swing naturally, whatever feels right with you. Well done. Keep moving through the gap. Softly kicking the feet across. So we're adding a tiny bit of balance here. Keep the knees soft. Take it out to the side. So those that can are going to stand on one leg and let it swing out to the side to challenge your balance. If that's too much, just touch the foot to the side. Just challenge your core muscles, your central muscles. Try and keep your body upright, don't look down at your feet. Let's take it to a touch, with a little bend in the middle. Again, the bend is optional. Bringing the elbows up, working the back of the arms. So I'm trying to keep the elbows in line with the body, as if I'm between 2 panes of glass, and I can't take my shoulders forward. You just take it as high as you need to feel it in the back of the arms. Try and keep the hands relaxed. Well done. kick the feet across again. Nice soft knees. So both knees, the leg that you're straightening still has a slight soft bend. The other leg has a little bit of bounce in it. If going across doesn't feel right for you, just take it as a small tap, maybe tap the foot in front. But I really want you to be challenging your balance. It's not much of a challenge because we're doing it fairly fast. But for those of you that really need it, you will notice working the hip muscles here. Let's take it to a side step. Two steps and back. Well done. Arms again are optional. Let's challenge the brain a little bit. Down, side, up, side, down, side. Again, you don't have to do the arms. You can make the feet much smaller. Oh, let's challenge it a bit more. Forward and up, forward and up, forward and up, forward and up. Can you alternate those? Down and up, forward and up. Whoa, down and up. Maybe I can't. If you can do that, keep going. If not, join me with the supervision. The legs wide. Just tap side to side. Well done. Feel a little knee bend if you wish. Adding a little bit more of a knee bend if you can. So you have a choice. If you're a beginner, you can keep it nice and low. If you're not, you can bend in the middle, a little squat. Your choice. We're going to take that foot behind. So just a little tap behind. I'll turn so you can see. Tap, tap, tap. Now you have a choice to keep it there, or you can do a kickback. So I'm going to turn so you can see. So aiming the hand towards the other foot, I can just about touch it one side. You're only aiming it towards, doesn't matter if you can't touch it. Quite hard for the balance here, particularly at this fairly low speed. So if that's no good for you, keep it here. A little touch, just touching the toe behind. Feeling it in the front of the thighs, getting that balance. Back to the toe taps. So you can add an arm if you wish. Sort of reaching up, or you can just lift the shoulder. Or you can just stay with the legs if you need to catch your breath. Twitch it across. Do a little twist in the hip as I do this, pointing the toe out. So again, you can keep it smaller if you want. Reaching up. Eight more. Well done. You're doing great. Really you are. And across the body. If you're finding it too much, just keep it small. That's fine too. I'm going to make it a bit bigger so you can see what I'm trying to aim for. Take that toe in front, touch across. So those that want to, take the foot up and touch the foot, open the hip out. Now, if you're not lifting the foot up, try and open out the hip. Turning out, turning out, turning out. Twist. Doesn't matter if it's very, very small twist. Just aim for that twist. Work the muscles in your hips. 4 more, whichever version you want to do. Let's take it back to the toe taps. Arms up. If you want, or shoulders, or just stay with the feet. Well done. Knee bend in between if you want. If you really want to make it harder, let's take it across with a twist. So again, could be here. This is fine too. Or a big twist. Make sure you're moving your feet to a position where your ankles are comfortable though. If it's hurting your ankles, you need to adapt your foot position and maybe make it a bit smaller. Back to side tap. Loose the arms for a moment. Tap behind. Really thinking about opening out the hip. Now those that want to, kick out back behind. So catch the beat, right, left. We're calling the body down now. So keep the movements a little bit smaller. Catch your breath. I'm going to turn so you can see, stay facing me. 2 forward, 2 back. Keep it small now. Let the arms swing heavily, shoulders relaxed. On the spot. Take it wider. Not very wide. 2 in, 2 out. In, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. Well done. Let your shoulders right. Relax even. Holding here. Circle the shoulders. Just as high as is comfortable for you. March 2 forward, 2 back. Forward, forward, back, back. Well done. Think about your breathing. That nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, or whatever works for you. As always, your body, your workout. Two out, 2 in. Keep it fairly small. Do slightly different arms. We're going to march on the spot in a moment. Last 4, 3. Well done. 2. Hold it here. March. So when you're pulling back, watch you're not sticking your chest out. Only come up in the shoulders. So squeeze your shoulder blades together. Singles. So forward and open. Forward and open. Forward and open. Last 4 counts. 3, 2. Well done. 2 forward, 2 back. So 2 forward, 2 back. Stay facing me if you want, or if you want to make it more interesting, you can angle it to the corner. I'll leave that up to you. Well done. I'm moving around the room a little bit. Really leave that up to you. If you want to have a little wander off around your room, pick up a glass of water, have a sip, that's fine too. Come back to facing me when you're ready. We're going to take it 2 out, 2 in. Hold it here. Tricep curls. Well done. Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Take the right foot back, both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So By lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often the foot turns in and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. Leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back, I'm not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want, that helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings, in your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you could be able to see your toes, it should be lined forward. Beautiful. We do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now push that heel down and lean into that stretch. I need to come a little bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. And relax. A little shake out. Well done for getting to the end of the workout. I hope you enjoyed it today. Join me again for another workout next time. See you again. Bye for now.